everyone. We're gonna make a little snack today. It's gonna look like this when we're finished. So, first thing we have to do when we cook is clean our hands. We're gonna put a little antibacterial on our hands and rub, rub, rub. Nice and clean. So, the things we're gonna use are pretzels, whipped cream, and some granola. If you don't have granola, you can use some cereal or some chocolate chips, anything fun. So, the first thing we're gonna do is get our pretzel. And we're gonna put the grape on the pretzel, and we're gonna roll, 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 and then we're gonna put it in the granola and roll, 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 and it looks like this. So let's make a couple more. Maybe we can make one for our sister, our brothers, our moms and dads. So we get our pretzel, grape, put in our whipped cream, and roll, roll, roll. Put in our granola, roll, roll, roll. And it looks like this. All right, how about we make one more? First we get our pretzel, then our grape, push it on our grape. We're gonna roll, roll, roll. Roll it again in our granola. And now, guess what? It's time to eat. I'm gonna try it. Mmm. Delicious. Thanks, guys.